everybody, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers. It's time for yet another amazing Creatively Inked kit. And this is for the November 2025 kit. It's hard to believe we're already well into the holiday crafting season, but this month we're going in a little different direction. These aren't specifically holiday cards, but you could make them holiday cards. It's more winter and all occasion. So we are going to be creating with the beautiful Peace on Earth stamp and die bundle. And I love the sentiments in this bundle, really nice all occasion sentiments. And you could kind of use bits and pieces of these to create even more variety than what is already in your stamp set. So really versatile. A good sentiment set is always awesome. And then this beautiful, oh, I just realized one of my dies is not in here. We have this beautiful die set that has these beautiful doves, lots of detail when you die cut those, these adorable little envelopes. You have some foliage pieces that I just realized I don't have in here. They're over on my table. And then some really pretty labels that die cut. And when you die cut them, I don't know if you can see the detail that you get around the edges. They're really pretty when you die cut them. So this again is called the Peace on Earth Stamp and Die Bundle. And we are going to make some beautiful projects and really dive into the hues of blue on our projects this month. So here's a sneak peek of the projects. And this is actually a little a special fold that you're going to make, but I'm not going to show you the inside because the inside is special just for our subscribers. And then you have this beautiful, lots of detail there. And then we kind of go with a little accent to our blues, really pretty. And if you're noticing, we have some sparkle and shine on these projects. And back to some blues, really pretty. And the non-card project this month is gorgeous and you're going to love it. So this Creatively Inked kit is currently going to subscribers, but if you've not yet subscribed, you have until November 20th to subscribe to receive this kit. So your kits come with all of the project kits pre-cut, scored, ready for you to create with, other than what is done with the featured bundle. You can choose to add your featured bundle if you would like, and it saves about 20% because I order these, I pay the shipping and the tax on it, and then I tuck it in your kit so that when you get your kit, you have it in there. But without paying the shipping and the tax, it's quite a savings. It's surprisingly how quickly it adds up. You will be able to create your projects. You will also receive a completed project in your kit. So this beautiful project you're going to receive already done for you so that you can enjoy it, gift it to someone special, or you can use it to inspire you to create some additional projects. However, you will receive your PDF to create your projects, and that is included in your PDF. So you have all the step-by-step instructions with photos to walk you through creating your sixth project, and you can even swap out the colors or the pattern paper if you would like, so that you can totally change up the look. So this kit, we're going to show every project using your dies in a different way. So there's a couple of dies in that die set that are really versatile, and you're going to notice on every project it's going to be used a little differently to kind of open up your thought process when you're looking at your die sets. You can start seeing all the different ways that you can use the dies that might be in a set once you see how these are used on this month's project. So really, really neat. So part of Creatively Inked isn't only providing beautiful handmade cards that you can create on your own, but it's also showing you different ways that you can use your supplies so that you can then go back to your stash and pull out some of the things you have and start using them in creative and unique ways. So I would love to have you subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It's $39 a month, and that includes about $20 in value of product, plus the shipping to you. You get a treat or a gift in there, your PDF instructions. It's really fabulous. So I hope you give it a try, and I'll look forward to creating a kit for you.